Hello. Hello, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome to my channel. If you've never seen my face before then my name is Olivia and I post videos every Saturday and apparently sometimes on Thursdays, so we'll see how that goes. If you are new to my channel then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, it really means a lot. So today I thought I would share with you some of my working from home outfits. I am not currently working from home, but I thought I would share some outfits anyway just for people who are. I'm going to start off with a jumpsuit. I've been absolutely loving wearing jumpsuits just around the house because you kind of feel put together even though you're essentially just wearing a onesie. But it's like a professional onesie, you know? I'm not sure where this jumpsuit is from. It's got pockets, which I am absolutely obsessed with. The amount of times I put on a jumpsuit and then just leave my phone somewhere because I don't have a pocket. But now I can just put it in my pockets and we're good to go. As always, I will leave the links in the description box, so if you do want to buy anything that is mentioned in this video then just head down there and everything will be linked, and if I can't find it then I'll link something similar. But this jumpsuit, obviously it's not the most professional looking jumpsuit on the top half. I think the bottom half is quite good, so if you were to buy this jumpsuit then you would be able to wear it to work, like even when you're not working at home, and it's just super comfortable. But I would probably pair it with this jumper, which is just from H&M. It's just a white turtleneck jumper and it is such a soft material. So if you tend to get a bit cold when you're sitting at a desk all day, then this is perfect for you. It's really comfortable and it just feels like you've literally just got out of bed, but I feel like you look a little bit more put together. I don't know if I said this from H&M, but it's sold pretty much every year. I've also got it in grey and I absolutely love it. It's just so comfortable. Obviously you could just kind of wear it like tucked up, like if you wore a belt you could kind of tuck it underneath and then you get a more cropped look so it's not as big and baggy. But I quite like the kind of oversized look, especially with the skinnier trousers. But I would also pair it with this blazer. I don't know if anyone actually wears blazers around the house, but I really love blazers, especially this one. It's like navy blue, it's cord, it's got really nice buttons. This is from Primark and I bought it in the sale and I think it was about £5 when I bought it. Obviously we can't shop online from Primark at the moment, well ever, and at the moment we can't go to Primark. So let me know in the comments whether you'd prefer me to like tag it on the Primark website or find something similar that you would be able to wear at the moment. We'll probably just tag something similar that you can buy at the moment, because then if you want to wear it then you can, or something similar. On this one the pockets are fake, which is kind of annoying, but still wearing the jumpsuit and the jumpsuit's got pockets, so it's perfect. So next I've got this little grey midi dress, which of course was from my misguided haul, so if you haven't watched that yet then I'll leave it just up here. Hopefully, if I go back here you can see the length on me, either that or I just look like a bit of an idiot. Obviously it's just kind of a simple maxi dress, so again I would pair it either with just a simple jumper like this white turtleneck that I've already shown you, or just this blazer that I have also already shown you. So hopefully this will show to you that you don't need to be buying new clothes every single week in order to keep your work wardrobe full, basically. You can still wear different outfits and wear the same items, just style them differently. We don't have to be buying new clothes every single day just to go to work or just to stay at home. My hair is going to look absolutely terrible by the end of this video, but this is our next little outfit. Obviously this is quite a simple one. I've chosen all of these outfits in quite kind of neutral colours. We've got black, white, grey and navy, and that's about it. Just so I could show you the ways that you can kind of mix and match like a stay-at-home work wardrobe. So I've got these striped trousers on. Again, these are just super comfortable, like you could just chill around the house in them. Another turtleneck. I'm absolutely loving turtlenecks for this kind of time of year because I don't think it's quite warm enough, especially in my house. I don't know if your houses are really hot at the moment, but here it's not quite warm enough to be wearing like shorts and a t-shirt. So something like this is perfect, and you can still like go out in the garden for your lunch and you won't be freezing. Obviously, again, I could put this with the same white jumper and the blazer, but you probably don't want to see those again. So instead, I paired it with just this little black pinafore dress. I absolutely love pinafore dresses. I just think they're so easy to style, so versatile. And I just absolutely love versatile pieces that can just be worn in so many different ways, and you can just wear over and over again in so many different outfits. This has pockets. We all know what I love, anything with pockets. It's obviously got these really gorgeous little silver buttons down the front and a nice little V-neck, which I think looks so cute with this turtleneck. I've got the little hanger thing sticking out. That's a good look. Obviously, again, this is really comfortable. It's just black cord material, but it's got like a lining on the inside, which just is really comfortable. And you've got your legs out, so if your house is on the warmer side, you're gonna be nice and comfortable. And again, you can wear this on your daily exercise. If you're going out for a little walk, then it's pretty much the perfect warmth for you to be wearing like a little dress but with a longer sleeve top, so if it's a little bit windy you're not going to get too cold. And that brings me on to our last outfit. I've got this little maxi skirt. I'll go over into this corner. I probably just look like such an idiot and you can't fully see this, but hopefully you can. It's got a nice slit down the left hand side, and I've paired it with just this little white crop top which is from H&M, and it's obviously got these really nice little tortoiseshell buttons down the front. Hopefully you can see that properly. This outfit is so good for kind of like summer and just like chilling at home because again it's so comfortable. It's just white and navy, so it's both of these are really versatile pieces of clothing and really easy to wear again and again. And if you want to have a minimalist wardrobe, that is the key, just choosing pieces that are kind of similar colours. So we've got white, black, grey, navy. All of those you can kind of mix and match, wear to work as much as you want. Obviously this skirt is a little bit more statement than some of the other pieces, but still it can be worn multiple times and in multiple different ways and no one's really going to notice. So this is the last outfit that I've got today. Obviously it is a little bit cold, so I probably would be wearing this with the white turtleneck jumper, but for the sake of my bun, which is on its last legs anyway, I will not put the turtleneck jumper on again. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like anything in this video, then go and check out the links in the description. Everything will be there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you soon.